WT0208, Ricaela Tapiador, 26 years old, married, a college graduate with 2 years local caregiving experience and 1 year as a sales lady in the Philippines. Miss Ricaela, can you tell me something about yourself?
Hi, I am Ricaela Tapiador and I am married and have a one-child baby girl. I am trustworthy and industrious and hardworking.
Once you get hired, who will take care of your children?
Once I am hired, my baby took care of my spouse or my mother.
Okay. So how many hours is your travel from your place to Manila?
Our place 8 hours from our province to Manila.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
Yes, and I am willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
Do you have any hobbies?
My hobbies are playing baseball, softball, and volleyball.
Okay. Can you tell me your DH experience? Your experience as a caregiver for 2 years?
In the morning, I prepared the food for the family. I took care of the baby and I prepared her milk.
Isn't it you're willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
So what will you do if the baby has a fever?
I inform the parents of the child and I will get the temperature and ask for a proper medicine for her.
Do you know how to sing?
Yes.
Do you know how to sing a lullaby song?
Yes.
Can you sing one for us?
1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indians, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indians, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indians, 10 little Indian boys, 10 little, 9 little, 9 little, 8 little Indians, 7 little, 8 little, 6 little, 5 little Indians, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little Indians, 1 little Indian boy.
Thank you. Are you willing to take care of a disabled person?
Yes, and it depends upon the disability of that person and the capability of my physical ability.
What if you're already in Hong Kong, then one of your family member gets sick? Will you go home and break your contract?
No, I will call my family and ask for what happened to them, and if they need money, I will send them money for their expenses.
Among the different countries, why did you choose Hong Kong?
Hong Kong is an open country and it's a beautiful country, and they offer high salary.
So do you have any message to your future employer?
Hi, my future employer. I am Ricaela Tapiador. I am married and I am 26 years old. I am industrious, trustworthy, and honest, and also hardworking.
Thank you, Ms. Ricaela Tapiador.
Thank you.